Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you. So I decided to start my intro and then start vlogging for today. But I decided to say hi to you people. As you guys already know from the last vlog, I'm at my mom's place. So this is where I'll be doing the whole of today's vlog. Guys, for today's vlogmas, we'll be making okra soup. Yeah, in an easy way, and I'll be using ice fish for today's okra soup. So this is me adding salt to the water that I'll be using to wash my ice fish. And I just brought out the ice fish from the freezer and it's pretty blocked. So I'm going to try to bring it out one and wash it as much as I can, because I already washed it before putting it into the freezer, but I still have to rewash it again. And then here I'm done washing it. I'm adding a little bit of onions. I like onions in my okra soup. It's usually very sweet, yeah. So now I'm putting the fish on fire to steam for a few minutes. I added Maggi and then just a little bit of water to allow it to steam, yeah. And then this is my pepper and obey. We call it obey in Igbo. Yeah, so I'm pounding all of them together. I'll be adding it to the soup after I must have added my ogbono, which I'm using to make the okra soup. Ogbono is like a thickener for okra soup. Yeah, so don't mind me, I'm trying to on the light because I needed better light illumination. So I like to fry my fish, by the way. So I'm currently bringing out the steamed fish that was already done at this point. I'm going to fry it with red oil. It gives it this kind of nice, lovely taste. I think you should try it out. Also, let me know what you think in the comment section about frying your fish with red oil. How nice it is, or if you love it. Yeah, for me, taste is usually divine. So I just fry it before I put it into the fish, considering the fact that I feel that if I just add it directly to the soup, I feel like it's going to break into bits because it's very soft. Yeah, so this is my pounded okpei and pepper. This is ogo, this is obono, okro, and this is stockfish, and then some of the fried fish that I already brought out of the fire. Yeah, so next I noticed that I added the oil that I used that was remaining from frying the fish, and it feels like it's not going to be enough, so I'm adding a little bit more of the oil in, and then I'll stir, then add stockfish. So this is me adding the stockfish and stirring it. I'm going to allow it to steam for a few minutes. So next I'll be adding in the ogbono, but before that I'm trying to make sure that the stockfish is already soft, which it is already. So I'm adding in the ogbono bit by bit. I don't want to add it once. If you add it in a rush, it's going to stick at the end. So I'm going to add it slowly and stir until it's completely dissolved. Meanwhile, I'm still going to stir for a bit before I'm going to allow it to sit for like few minutes, let's say 10-15 minutes, before I'll add any other thing. So right now, as you can see, you notice that the ogbono is beginning to draw, to show you that it's good to go. So I'll be adding in my fried fish at this moment because this is the right time. I didn't add it all the while because I didn't want it to get softer or get broken into pieces. Yeah, which already it's in pieces. So this is me stirring it gently because I don't want to break the fish the more. Yeah, so after I was done stirring the fish, I'm going to be adding my okra and onions inside and then stir. After stirring, I'm going to allow it to sit for a few minutes. I usually don't allow my okra to steam for a long period of time because at the end of the day, by the time I'm done cooking the okra soup, the steam at the end of the day will still end up getting it done. So I like my okra to be crunchy on the mouth when I'm trying to eat my soup and swallow. So I'm going to just allow it to sit for a few minutes, and then I'll be adding in, the last thing I'll be adding in is the ugu. As you all know, you don't need to steam your leaves for a long period of time so it doesn't lose all its nutrients. So I'll be adding it lastly, and then after that we are done. Our food is good to go. The okra is okraing. So guys, I hope you guys will enjoy today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you when I see you. Don't forget to leave your comments down below on how you love to have your okra soup, how you love to prepare it. Meanwhile, this is an easy okra soup recipe with just ice fish for today's vlogmas. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.